Hi, myself Apurva Jyoti. Today we are going to learn class 7th Europe lesson about climate. Europe has a cooler climate than ours. When you compare our climate with Europe, Europe has very cooler climate. That is, the climate there will be very cool. Most of the countries experience snowfall in winter. So most of the countries of Europe, they face or they get snowfall in winter season. Summers are not as warm as ours. So when you compare our summers, those summers are very hot and warm, but when you compare to Europe summers are not warm as our summers. They'll be little bit cool. Distance from the equator. Now we are going to learn the distance from the equator. So the middle line which is passing is called as an equator, and the region near equator remains warm all round the year. Means for the entire year, the regions which are near to the equator, they remain very warm, very heat. There will be too much hotness will be there. As we move northwards or southwards away from equator, it gets cooler and cooler. As we are moving away from the equator, means if we are moving away from to the northwards or to the southwards, if you see, when you're moving, the heatness gets reduced, means to the poles it will be very cooler. When you are moving away from the equator, cooler and cooler. This is a reason polar regions are covered with ice all round the year. So when you are moving away from the equator, the heat gets reduced and you'll feel cooler and cooler. These are reasons why the polar regions have too much coolness, and it is covered with ice for the entire year, for the all round year. Atlantic Ocean. Climate is influenced by another factor, the Atlantic Ocean and the winds blowing from it. So the climate of Europe is also been influenced by another factors like Atlantic Ocean, because the winds blowing from it, due to the winds which are blowing from the Atlantic Ocean, the climate also changes, have an influence, have an effect on it. This impact is felt more by the regions along the Atlantic Ocean than the ones which are far inland. So we are saying that there will be an influence of winds which are blowing from Atlantic Ocean on the climate of Europe, right? So how are they felt? Because that is, the Atlantic Ocean which is there, near to that Atlantic Ocean, the regions which are there, they will be having this they feel this type of differences in their climate. The impact will be on the regions which are near to the Atlantic Ocean when compared to inland. Means the one which are inside the land, means completely inland, those will be different from the regions which are near to the Atlantic Ocean. These areas, they have more impact of this climate. In winter, it is quite cold in Western Europe, but even colder in Eastern Europe. So in winters, the climate in Europe will be quite cold. Western Europe will be quite, means too much cold, when but even colder in Eastern Europe. So even colder in Eastern Europe, even it will be cooler in Eastern Europe. In winters, it will be quite cooler in Western, and even at the same time to the eastern side or western side, it will be quite cooler, and eastern side also it will be colder. Countries like Poland and Russia have severe winter, while France and Germany are comparatively warm. So as we have learned just now, that the regions which are near to the Atlantic Ocean, that is like Poland, Russia, these type of countries, they have severe, too much of coolness in winter, while France and Germany are comparatively warmer. When you compare Poland and Russia with France and Germany, this France and Germany have comparatively little bit warmerness when compared to Poland and Russia. Poland and Russia have severe, too much of coolness, but when you see France and Germany, they are warmer, little bit warm, not so cool, little bit warmer than Poland and Russia. Now coming to westerlies, winds blow all year round from Atlantic Ocean towards Europe. So here the winds which are there, the westerlies, they blow throughout the year from Atlantic Ocean. From Atlantic Ocean, these westerlies are the winds which are blowing throughout the year. Westerlies blow throughout the year means for the entire year these winds will be blowing from where? From Atlantic Ocean towards Europe. Towards Europe means to Europe they will be blowing. As they are blowing from west, they are called westerlies. As these winds which are blowing from Atlantic Ocean, they are blowing from west side, so they are called as westerlies. Actually they blow from southwest towards northeast. These westerlies which are there, which you can see in the map which I have posted, there you can see that westerlies, the arrow marks. These westerlies, they blow from southwest towards northeast. From southwest, down part is called as south. From southwest to northeast, top is called as north, and northeast they will be blowing. Direction it is shown. These winds are warmer than the land temperature and are moist too. So these winds which are blowing westerlies, they are warmer than the land temperature, means they will be warm. The heatness or the warmness which is there will be more than the land temperature, the temperature which the land have, than more than that these winds will be warmer and they will be moist, like wet. The climate of Western Europe is affected by these warm and moist winds all year round as they blow throughout the year. The climate which is in the Western Europe is affected by these warm and moist winds. The westerlies which are blowing from the Atlantic Ocean, that too from where? Southwest to northeast of Europe. So these winds which are blowing all round the year for the entire year have an effect or impact of the climate, impact on the climate. These winds show their effect or impact on the climate